Are you recording it?
I am now. Here it comes.
Holy Jesus.
This kind of really sucks. Gus, you better pee now.
He just did.
Alright, look at that there.
I've never seen anything like that.
No.
Look at it flowing.
Look
like a
at that.
Stream.
It broke through.
Over there?
No, right here. I think that was back and holding it for a little bit.
What's going on, Gus?
Oh, how high is it going to get, you guys? Is it going to go on my main floor?
I don't know.
We better watch the basement, Billy.
If the pump quits running, it means it.
'Cause here it comes.
Holy balls, I've never seen anything like this.
Not like this, nope.
Do you see that, Eric?
I do. All week's been amazing to me.
I bet it has.
It's like, what in the world is that? Fields of lakes.
Has Billy seen this? No?
You should watch this, Billy. This is kind of neat.
I've seen enough floods in my life.
Jaden, just leave me alone.
All right. Goodness sakes, that's quite interesting. I hate water.
Do we have hip waders?
No, I don't.
Why?
I don't know, but if you get back into town, grab me a pair. Menards is open. They said they'd be open for flood stuff. Sears is open for flood stuff.
I called Katie.
I did too.
I yelled at her.
Yeah,
Holy bejesus Christ.
There's the rooster crowing.
Yeah. Hit me in the
Chickens up.
They're fine. Michelle said so.
I'm gonna walk the dike and move crap.
Okay, have fun. Better enjoy it now, Gus. It's going to be a while. They're never going to get in here with blocks. Yeah?
Mom,
Yeah?
come here.
Okay, I don't think I want to. Let me get my water boots. I'll be right with you. Bye.